Hey, Ashwin here. So today we're going to learn how to create MySQL databases. But before that, we need to learn some naming rules and conventions. We should try for alphanumeric characters. Another thing is we should not have spaces in database name. But if you want to have some kind of space, replace it with underscores. Then you also don't want to start it with a number. You want to not use reserved keywords, and you want to keep the names meaningful and descriptive. Try to use lowercase letters only for better code management and limit the length of the database to avoid any other issues. A good example would be user_data, and a bad example would be user-data@123. So make sure you follow these conventions for better maintainability. So in order to create a database, use the command create database, then the name of your database, followed by a semicolon, then run that query line, and you'll see that your database is created. In order to see really that your database is created, you can run the command show databases, and over here you can see that YouTube is created. Now, in order to select which database you want to perform your operations on, you want to use the command use and then the name of your database. This way, you know that you're going to use this. However, there is not a really significant output. So in order to know which database you're currently on, you can also use the command select database after using the command use database. This way, you can make changes to the database that you intend to. So in a summary, we learned how to show databases using the show databases command. We learned how to create a database using the create database command. Then we also learned how to use the database which we have created. And just in case we don't know which database we are making changes to, we can use the command select database to see what we are doing with that particular database. In next video, we'll be learning about tables.